guys, welcome back for another video. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and to my loyal subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for always coming back. Today we are unboxing the new La Vie est Belle by Lancome. We have Soleil Cristal and I am super excited about it, as I always am. So the beauty advisor at Lancome told me about the new perfume. I was excited, but she had no samples, so I couldn't test it out. I had no idea what the notes were. So I just kind of waited patiently until I knew it was out. So if you've been around for a while, you know that I love Lancome. That includes the skincare, makeup, as well as the perfumes. And La Vie est Belle, the original, being like my signature scent. La Vie est Belle is either liked or disliked. I've always liked it and I don't see that changing anytime soon. And I will continue to love it. Now the flankers I love very much as well. I just like Lancome. Period. The packaging is super pretty. It's the typical, quote unquote, typical Lancome packaging, but with a little bit of a twist. So you have the big kahuna right here, La Vie est Belle Soleil Cristal. So this one is supposed to capture the essence of sunny days. So I'm thinking it will be very summer appropriate. I do not have a single idea what that smells like, and I am kind of a little nervous, y'all. To me, Lancome never disappoints. However, I am still a little bit like unsure because it might just be something that you don't like, you know? So this one has many notes that I already like and enjoy. We have mandarin oils, we have ylang ylang, we have iris, we also have vanilla bourbon, and then we have sunny coconut accord. So I just recently talked about a coconut-based fragrance, and today we're gonna delve into this one, see if the coconut note is very present and all of that. Like I've said, I do not know how this smells, and I'm praying and hoping that I like it, because if I don't, I will be very disappointed. So I won't keep you waiting any longer. I'm gonna open this up and we can discover the scents together, and I will tell you what I'm feeling, my first impressions, and all the things. I have to take some points away from Lancome because unlike other retailers like Dior, Giorgio Armani, all those other retailers, they always send samples, which is nice because you can try it in case you don't like it, so you don't have to open the box. Lancome never sends samples, which I feel like is a major no-no. Honestly, they definitely lose points in that field. Here we go. Now this is Soleil Cristal. It's iridescent, it is pretty. Oh my god, y'all, like, this is beautiful. This is the 3.4 fluid ounce. It looks really big in my hand right now, like for real. It looks huge and I just love this. If I turn it, you can just see the iridescence. Basically, I am here for it. I love the bow. You can pull this out and then it reveals this iridescent bow as well. So pretty. I'm gonna pull out my strip of paper so I can test it on my skin, as well as the strip of paper, and this is the moment of truth, y'all. I mean, how cute is that? I feel like it will get dirty really fast. Let's test the sprayer. I do not smell anything yet. Okay. Ooh. So the initial spray gives me a lot of that mandarin. Brightness instantly comes through. So it smells very pleasant, very nice. I'm gonna spray it right here because I do want to test it on my skin. Right away, I can already tell you guys that this is not as strong as the original La Vie est Belle. When you spray La Vie est Belle, you get patchouli, you get the notes in there. This is not as strong as that. Ooh, but it smells beautiful. It's sweet. It's brighter. I would say lighter. It's brighter and lighter. I'm gonna let it settle down a little bit on my skin So I would say that the coconut note is detectable. I feel like I smell it, but remember, these are my first impressions, so this might change later down, I don't know. But I do smell the coconut in there, which I like, by the way. I'm not opposed to coconut smell. Now, the vanilla bourbon is not like an intense vanilla bourbon, but it does give it some of that warmth that comes from the fragrance. It opens bright, it is sweet, and it is a little warm as well. So yeah, that is what I would say about it right off the bat. But this one is definitely lighter, and I can see why it would be appropriate for summer. It says that is the essence of sunshine captured in a bottle. So I am going to play with this a little bit more, wear it, test the longevity, how it pairs up to like the original La Vie est Belle as far as longevity and all of that. But I do like the smell already. I like it a lot. When I spread this on, I was scared, I'm not gonna lie, because what if I didn't like it? But I like it. I don't love it yet. I like it a lot. Some people say it's like the original La Vie est Belle. I don't even see how, honestly. Because with the original La Vie est Belle, you have that patchouli that gives it that kick. And this one is that bright citrus opening. So it's a combination of warmth and brightness, and definitely on the sweet side. I would say the original La Vie est Belle probably would be like much sweeter because of that spun sugar in it. So it's sweeter, it's stronger, it's more in your face. This one is lighter. I would say that this one more or less kind of just like coats your skin in the most gentle way, and it's not strong, it's not potent at all. They classified this as a fresh floral, and it's a perfect classification because of that mandarin oil in it. And I am here for it. So again, this is La Vie est Belle Soleil Cristal with this amazing packaging, and I am so excited to have this, to use it, to try it out in the next few weeks. And if I feel differently about it, I will definitely update you guys, but I can see myself putting a lot of good use into this one. These were my first impressions on the new La Vie est Belle Soleil Cristal. Tell me what you think if you've tried it, if you've sampled it. Will you be adding it to your collection, and what do you think about it? Anyway, don't forget to sound off in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.